Let's take a look at one more example. Example 3. A bumblebee flies at a speed of 15.2 meters per second. A solar-powered vehicle can reach a speed of 56.751 miles per hour. According to Guinness World Records, which one is faster? So the first step is rewrite important information. 15.2 meter per second. And then 56.751 mile per hour. To solve this problem, we are looking for which one is faster. In order to compare two different quantities, they have to have the same unit. So one way is we convert meter per second to mile per hour. Then we can compare with the speed of vehicle. Or the second method is we change mile per hour to meter per second, then compare to the speed of the bumblebee. Either way work equally well. For this example, I want to convert meter per second to mile per hour. Let's look at step 2. Write down what you want to convert from on the far left of the paper. 15.2 meter per second. Step 3. Write down the unit we are looking for on the far right of the paper. Mile per hour. Step 4. Write down all possible conversion factors on a scratch paper. We want to get rid of meter and second, and we are looking for mile per hour. So meter and mile, both of them are units of length, so they should have some relationship. But sometimes I forget, so this relationship is 1 mile equal to 1,600 meters. This relationship I should give you. If I forget, don't forget to remind me. Ask me to provide you. From this one, we get 1 mile over 1,600 seconds, 1,600 meters. 1,600 meters over 1 mile. And then we want to change meter to second to hours. If you remember, 1 hour equal to 3,600 seconds. This one you need to memorize. From this relationship, we get 1 hour over 3,600 seconds, or 3,600 seconds over 1 hour. We get 1, 2, 3, and 4 conversion factors. Step 5, pick a conversion factor and multiply what is on the left side of the paper. We want to get rid of meter on top, so we have to pick a conversion factor with meter at the bottom. So the first one will work. 1,600 meters at the bottom, 1 mile on top. Can the unit cancel? Meter at the bottom, meter on top, they can cancel. The answer is yes. Do we get the desired unit? We get mile per second, but we are looking for mile per hour. The answer is no. We go back to step 5. We pick another conversion factor. We pick conversion factor 4, 3,600 seconds over 1 hour. Can the unit cancel? Second on top, second at the bottom, they can cancel. Do we get the desired unit? We get mile per hour. We are looking for mile per hour. According to the flow chart, well done. But we need to do the math. $15.2 times 1 times 3,600 divided by 1,600 divided by 1. After you punch this into your calculator, the number you get will be 34.2. Remember, the unit we have left is mile per hour. So you put your answer here, 34.2 mile per hour. And remember, this is the speed of bumblebee. The speed of the vehicle is 56.751 mile per hour. Compare this to the vehicle is faster. Put down your answer. Vehicle is faster than the bumblebee. Again, I want to emphasize, in the exam, I want this part, and then I want this part. You do not need to give me this part. No need to show. And this is needed. And this is needed.